Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rob's Nerd Knives. We're doing an unboxing. This is going to be part 3, maybe part 3 and part 4. I don't know if I have 2 knives here. Don't know if they're going to be different. They look like they might be the same, so we might just make this a part 3. From Fred the Lug, he allowed me to check out some knives. I've had some interesting ones. Let's see what these are like. I'm not familiar with Vulcan knives, so we'll look at these now. All right, I've never checked out Vulcan knives before. Got a couple of a certificate of authenticity and 2 different knives here, so I think we might do this as one together, but let's see what we have here. Okay. Ooh, that is nice. All right, so we got a milled knife here. Are these USA made? They sure look like they're USA made. Man, yeah. Is this the one? So we have 2 here. I don't know what the difference is. So, okay, so let's pull the other one out. We'll just do these together. All right, so they look like 2 same type of style. One's got a blacked out. I don't know if it's DLC or PVD. DLC or PVD. Looks like maybe PVD backspacer. I don't know if this is aluminum or titanium. I'm gonna guess maybe aluminum on the outside, maybe titanium. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. It is a crossbar lock on both of them. Yep, for sure. Okay. We got a fuller here. We got some interesting texture on the blade itself. That's unique. Got a nice thick robust clip. Now if it's aluminum, obviously it's not going to stick. Blade is steel, obviously. Backspacer's not. So I don't know if it's aluminum or titanium. So let's go ahead and give it a flick. Oops, whoa, that's super light. All right, nice hollow grind. All right, USA Magnacut. It is USA. That's cool. Looks like it's not a captive pivot. Maybe the pivot could be locked in there. All right, so let's see. Oh, wait, that's interesting. Interesting. Okay, that's different. A lot of people say you don't see a lot of custom knife makers who do crossbar. This one seems to be like the exception. Okay, so the detent, if you will, the Omega spring resistance to the crossbar lock is a little stronger on this one. The frag pattern, this one's a little softer for sure. So I don't know if you could strengthen it with better springs or something, but interesting design work on here on a blade, Magnacut at that too. So that's unique. That is absolutely unique. And then there's like a little laser etching. Is this laser or is it? Yeah, so it's lasered etched in there on this. These look like inner linings and a scales on the outside. Okay, milled clip, recessed screws. Interesting. Okay. Don't know if this is titanium or if this is, let's see here. Let's look at this. It should say on here. So 3/4 inch. We've got the Vortex Wave, so that's probably this one. Vortex Gridlock, so that's probably the frag pattern. 3/4 inch long, 140 thousandths thickness. Magnacut on this one. Magnacut. All right, with milled grid pattern. All right, with wave pattern. Overall length is 8 inches. Overall length is 8 inches. Weight is 4.6 inches on the milled pattern on this one here. And then it's 4.7 ounces on this one. Cutaway titanium scales with matching lasered grid pattern titanium liners. So titanium. It's polished titanium, which is, I do like polished titanium. So I will tell you, this is cool. I like polished titanium like that. That's nice. So that's definitely a preference of mine. I will say that I like the frag pattern a lot more personally of the 2. It also has a nice action on there for sure. Let's see, is it dead center nuts? It is. Nice and solid. Okay, all right, very cool. All right, we're dealing with, what else do we have? Wave pattern, we've got titanium pivot screws, deep carry titanium pocket clips, so that's cool. Deep groove jimping on the blade and frame, okay. and then serial number 101. So each of these are 101. These are the first ones, all right? So the jimping, solid in there. I like how that matches all the way up there. That's kind of cool, okay? And you've got the matching on here. Black clip. Now that clip, it looks like it's Cerakoted. I first thought it was TLC, but it looks like it's Cerakoted. That is interesting. I like this one. This one's a little soft for me. There's a little stick to it, which I don't care for. So now I think these are brand new, and I think Fred said these might be for sale from the maker. Can you front flip that? No. Can you do it in this one? I can sort of front flip. It's not really ideal. I like the fact that you can choke up for a big hand. That's interesting. Clip, this reminds me very serious what Lynch Northwest does on their clips. Very similar in many ways. So that's cool. It's nicely chamfered all the way around. We don't have any sharp spots anywhere. It is a little sharp on here. Yeah, is it sharp enough? Yeah, it is. I would probably fix that, but interesting. Interesting design. I like this much better. I do. I like this much better. This is a nice finish. This is, this is just the unboxing, first impressions, right? I will say, I like the fact that there's different wave patterns. Some of you guys are going to really dig that. It is unique. I really like the frag pattern. And this is a nice frag pattern. It's not all super sharp and edgy. Like Tuya Knives came out with a beautiful frag pattern. Man, I wanted to love it, but it was so sharp and edgy. Too much to try to fix. So it just kind of ruined it for me. And then I've felt other frag patterns that were just really nice and solid. So it's a very strong crossbar lock on this guy. Wow. All right. Very, very neat. Very neat. Very neat little knives here. Okay. So Magnacut 6364 is the HRC, which is, or 6263 is the HRC. Yeah, so that's not bad. That's decent. Titanium scales with titanium liners to kind of give that two-piece, the crossbar. We have the milled clip over here, and then we have a Cerakoted, PVD coated, and then both back spacers are coated, right? You got this inner lining. I think that's really cool. Yeah, nice. A little satin finish on there, I think. I don't know, that looks more like a milled finish, but I don't know. So there you go. Very, very cool. Very cool. No weight relief in there, so it's got a little bit of weight to it. We'll do the full review on this guy. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. I'll get you a nice close view of these two so you can see them. Got to see the pattern. Crossbar lock. Looks like T8s all the way across. Looks like maybe a T15 there. Right? And then we're dealing with a nice finger choil. So I have large hands, big meaty fingers. You can definitely see all the room there. Right? It has a little edge on here. That's my only disappointment, is that edge. And yeah, it's there as well. I would have to fix that. That's too sharp. So, you know, those are small finishes that I would want to see on a knife. You can see the back spacer over here, the jimping on here. Doesn't quite line up. It'd be really cool if it did, but that'd be hard to do. I like the jimping here. I like the look of the texture. It's very cool. And then we have over here, we have the clip, which is a nice thick milled clip that is inset and almost recessed screws. They're not quite, they're on the top, but definitely plenty of room getting in and out of the pocket on that. Back spacer is really nice. The crossbar lock on the frag pattern, the milled, whatever you call it, is a little stronger. Ooh, this one has a lot of lock stick. Okay, interesting. Yeah. Ooh, that's really sticky. Hopefully that clears up. I don't know if this is brand new or not, but that one is pretty sticky. All right. I like the milling pattern on it. I think it's kind of cool. Wow, ooh, that's getting stronger and stronger. Interesting. All right. All right, and then of course the milling pattern on here, I like that polish. I think it's cool with the hollow grind. Definitely pretty cool. All right, very, very neat, very neat. These are cool. These are definitely cool. All right, let's get a little picture for the video, a little thumbnail action going on here. I'm going to do that. What do you say? Something like that? Make that look nice. So, or we could just put them together like this. So there you go. All right, that'll be for the thumbnail. Yeah, cool crossbar. I think it's neat. Definitely worth checking out. So there you go, USA made. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you ever hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing, liking the channel, it really does help me out. It allows me to do more things, produce more content, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches, enjoys the content. I appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Huge shout out to my channel members. You do two things. You encourage me, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm not full-time, I'm part-time, so thank you. Thank you. Secondly, because you're generous support of the channel. You allow me to do things sooner than I thought I could. For instance, we do a once a week budget banger giveaway. Also, and when I check out knives like this, I'm able to cover costs of shipping and getting it back to them. So I'm so grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Small way for me to say thank you to you is brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a little handwritten note. I try to do that. I'm going to keep trying to do that as long as I can with this channel. And then secondly, all members are eligible for the members once a month budget banger giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway. The members exclusive giveaway. Each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways. You could win both. You're eligible for both. And members, I try to make sure that the members giveaway is a little bit nicer than a budget banger giveaway. Something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. It's my small way to say thank you. Thank you. If any of that sounds really cool, there is a link down below in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't feel pressured to do so. Do it because you want to and you choose to do so. And for that, I'd be very grateful and humbled. So thank you. All right. If you haven't already, also check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.